In this video, I will show you how to set business hours and holidays in Zoho Desk. First, log into your Zoho account. Next, at the top right of your screen, click on the Settings button. Under Organization, click on Business Hours. This is where you can define your team's working schedule and ensure your support processes follow your actual hours. Once you're in, click on New Business Hours. Start by entering a name for the business hours, like Main Office Hours. Then set the time range for your standard workday, for example, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. You can choose different start and end times depending on your team or department. You can also customize hours for specific days. For instance, if your team closes earlier on Fridays, you can adjust Friday's hours separately from the rest of the week. This flexibility ensures your support tickets are handled accurately based on real availability. Next, let's set up a holiday list. In the calendar, select the date or dates you want to mark as holidays. Input a holiday name such as Christmas or company retreat, and click Add. You can create multiple holiday entries at once if needed. This way, your team won't receive new ticket assignments on those days. Finally, review all your settings and click Save. Zoho Desk will now recognize your defined business hours and holidays, ensuring automation rules, escalations, and ticket assignments respect your team's schedules. And that's how to set business hours and holidays in Zoho Desk.